people! Welcome to Inspired by Sud again. Today we are going to make the most popular candy, Dalgona. This is from the candy Squid Game. I'm sure by now everyone watch it. Are you guys feeling the same? Every day after work, I'm keep waiting when I'm going to get a chance to watch the game. And then every night, by the time I know it's already 1 or 2 a.m. and become like a panda every morning. But you know, at the same time, it keeps me so exciting what's going to be happen next. So anyway, the ingredient is super simple. All you need is just sugar and then some baking soda. I already put in the box here. And then the tool that we are going to use is just a ladle, wood chopstick, and I use a measurement cup to the press and then the placement paper to do the press right here. Let's do it. This candy known as a Dalgona, a popular Korean street food treat. In the game, as everyone knows, the winner can get into the progress on the next challenge in the series of the childhood game if you can cut the star, umbrella, heart or triangle. Let's tie together. So you're going to stir, 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 stir. This is the same technique when you make caramel. And careful, the heat is so hot. And then don't even touch sugar that melt because it's going to stick on your skin. It's super hot, extremely hot. See here is almost, I'm going to turn off. When the sugar almost clear color, you should turn on the heat and then you can still stir to make it melt because the ladle is still hold a lot of heat in here. So now I'm going to put the baking soda and stir. Time to stir, 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 stir. The chemical take a reaction with the sugar already. Now it's a bubble inside the sugar. Wow, beautiful color, just like a caramel color. See? Ooh! Hooray! Hooray! It's all for me. Yay! I love the color. I love the color so much. It's so beautiful. Okay. Ready? Make it evenly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to make it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No. If you're not coating with the oil, this is what happened. Oh no! Wipe my measure cup with some oil. I got it! I got the heart. So happy. Wow. Okay. I got the heart. Okay, let's tie one more time for the circle. Make it evenly. Wow, beautiful. And then going to put circle. See here? Ta-da! I'm so happy, it's so beautiful. Okay, take it off. Bum bala bum bum ba. Bum bala bum bum. I want to share some technique for successfully making Squid Game candy at home. Number one, we want to use the sugar 1.5 tablespoon and baking soda, not baking powder, it wouldn't work. Number two, we want to use a medium-low or low heat to melting the sugar, otherwise it can gets easily to get burned. Number three, keep the ladder away from the heat before you adding the baking soda and keep stirring, otherwise it can get burned. The hot dalgona mixture can stick on the surface or the plate, so apply oil to prevent the frosty mixture from sticking. Technique number 5. If you make more than one batch, keep the pot of the hot water next to it so you can rinse off the ladle between the next batch. Lastly, enjoy your Squid Game candy at home. Now let's play the Squid Game together. I'm going to put 30 seconds and see if I can get out the hard shell with the pen. Okay, let's count together. 30 seconds. Oh, got this one. Oh, I got this one. Okay. Oh, I got this one. Okay. Oh no, a little bit. Oh, I still have this left. No! Well, I'm out of the game. Let's test it. Super crunchy. And it's just like a caramel candy, you know? Smell of the brown sugar, burn, so good. I like it. I think this will go very well with the, make it like a crunchy fish and then put on the top of the cappuccino. I know, I'm going to do that. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like my video, please help to subscribe so it can help to cheer me up to make a next good video. And see you next time. Bye.